Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to show you how to restore an old color photo. For this, we're going to get into our photo editing software, so let's get to it.
Alright, so this is the old photo that I'm going to use to show you how to restore your old photos. First off, I'm noticing this white line up here. Usually that's what happens when photos get scanned in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my marquee tool here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crop the image just a bit, just to get rid of that, and maybe reframe it a bit. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a curves layer. I want to go first and create just a nice general S-curve, bring up the highlights just a bit, and definitely deepen those shadows a little bit more, because everything was a little bit too washed out. And that's pretty good right there. And you know, everything kind of has a little bit of a yellow tint to it, so I'm going to go into my blues and let's just add a little bit.